In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a Shopify store and cancel your Shopify subscription. Whether you're pivoting your business strategy, taking a break, or closing shop for good, it's important to know how to do this smoothly and securely. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, to make sure you don't miss anything crucial. First, you'll need to navigate to the Settings option in the Shopify admin panel. Look towards the bottom left of your dashboard, where you'll find this key feature. The Settings menu is your go-to place for managing and adjusting various aspects of your store, from shipping and checkout preferences to language and taxes. As you click on Settings, you'll see a number of options expand, each representing a piece of your store's operational puzzle. Now, focus on the option that says Plan. This is an integral component of your store setup as it dictates the Shopify services and features you can access. Selecting Plan will take us to the area where we can manage or modify our store subscription. In this section, you'll find everything related to your current plan, including billing information, your plan's features, and critically, the cancellation options. To proceed with deactivation, you need to cancel your plan. By initiating this action, Shopify will immediately deactivate your store. This means that customers will no longer be able to view or interact with your store online. Keep in mind that while your store is deactivated, Shopify does something particularly useful. They hold onto your store's data for a minimum of 2 years. This is a great safety net in case you change your mind or decide to reopen your business. It offers you a unique opportunity to recover or renew your store without losing the hard work you've put into building it. However, if you are certain that you want all your data removed right away, Shopify allows for that as well. Simply reach out to Shopify's customer support team to request an immediate deletion of your data after canceling your plan. Their team is equipped to handle this request and will ensure your data is completely wiped from their servers, if that's your preference. And there you have it. Closing a Shopify store might seem like a daunting task at first, but as you've seen, it's quite straightforward. With just a few clicks, you can deactivate your account securely while preserving the option to rekindle your business in the future if desired. If you follow these steps, you'll ensure an efficient closure process that safeguards your data as needed. Thank you for tuning in, and if you have any more questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out.